is a beautiful day at Pierce Properties, and today we are going to show you Cleveland Place Apartments. Cleveland Place is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment located in Fayetteville, Arkansas. It is $13.50, includes all utilities plus free internet. You have gas and electric with a $120 cap. Your kitchen has all the appliances and a microwave. Washer and dryer. Your living room area. Nice built-ins for linens or towels or first bedroom. Nice closet. Full bathroom. And your second bedroom. Thank you for watching. Please call the office at 479-444-7440 and have a great day. Thanks.